credit this breakdown event which we cannot credit now. So they are all related to each other. That okay answer? All right. Any other questions? So hopefully that we will be able to work with some of you in the next 4 years on this project when it starts in October 2016. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's a very interesting and informative presentation. Thank you very much, Professor Karan, for your time and effort to share your knowledge and experience with the scientists of NARA. Now I would like to invite Dr. HMP Kiksiri, Deputy General Research NARA and active member of SLAPA, to present a token of appreciation to Professor Harendra Fernando.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for all the students from Washington University, NARA scientific staff and members of SLAPA for your participation.